In this video, you'll learn how to transfer a Notion page from one account to another. This process involves sharing the page, copying the link, and duplicating it in the target account, which allows for seamless transitions between accounts. Begin by navigating to the Notion website by entering, quote, notion.so, quote, in your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, ensure you are logged into the account that currently has the page you want to transfer. If prompted, enter your login credentials to access your workspace. Next, locate the specific page you wish to share within your Notion workspace. This could be a document, table, or any other type of content you've created. Once you've found the page, click on it to open it fully. It is essential to ensure that this is the correct page before proceeding to the next step. After that, look for the share button, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this button will open a sharing menu. In this menu, you will see various sharing options. Confirm that the page is set to be shared by ensuring that the share to web toggle is activated, which allows others to access the page through a link. Once this appears, click on publish. This action will make the page accessible to anyone with the link. You might notice a loading animation or a confirmation message indicating that the page is now published. Following this, click on copy link to copy the URL of the page to your clipboard. This link is crucial for transfer of the page to the new account. Next, click on any blank space within your Notion workspace to deselect the current page. Afterward, navigate to your profile space by clicking on your account name or profile picture. Usually found in the left sidebar, this action will display a list of your workspaces and any other accounts you manage. Then, select an account to which you want to transfer the page. If this account is not already visible, ensure you have the correct permissions or access rights to that account. After selecting the desired account, open a new browser tab to facilitate the next steps of the process. In the new tab, paste the copied link into the URL address bar and press enter. This will take you directly to the page you just published. Once the page loads, you will see the option to duplicate the page, which is crucial for transferring it into your new account. Click on duplicate to create a copy of the page in your new account. You should see a confirmation or a loading indicator as the duplicated. You can now add it to your workspace by clicking on add or any similar option available. Finally, locate the duplicated page, which should now appear in your new account's workspace. Click on the page to open it and verify that all content has been successfully transferred. You can now edit or manage this page as needed within your new Notion account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.